I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If your Etsy shop is under review and you want to unlock it, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Check your email. Look for any communication from Etsy regarding your shop review. They usually send an email detailing the reason for the review. Step 2. Address any issues. If Etsy has pointed out specific issues, make sure to resolve them. This could involve updating your shop policies or fixing any product listings. Step 3. Submit a request. Once you've addressed the issues, go to your Etsy account and submit a request to unlock your shop. Be clear and concise about what changes you've made. Step 4. Wait for a response. After submitting your request, be patient. Etsy may take a few days to review your changes and respond. Keep an eye on your email for updates. Step 5. Follow up if necessary. If you haven't heard back in a week, consider following up with Etsy support. Sometimes a gentle nudge can speed things along. Remember, keeping your shop compliant with Etsy's policies can help prevent future reviews. Good luck, and I hope your shop is up and running soon.